my kitchen. Okay, so today we're gonna make almond biscuits, or cantucci, what you say in Italian. All right, so to get started, get yourself a little sifter and you get your flour. So sift your flour, your baking powder, and your pinch of salt. Beautiful. All right, so what we'll do is just set that aside. Crack the eggs. The sugar. So beat the egg and sugar together until it's nice and light and fluffy. Just do that for a couple of minutes. Add the vanilla extract, the orange zest, and the juice of the orange. Okay, let's put that in just a couple of more minutes. Just scrape down the sides. Now you do have to also put star anise in there, ground star anise. Now if you can't get any ground star anise, all you do is get the star anise, so it'll just be in a packet. And it'll just look, the herb is actually in a star shape. Now I don't have any whole ones left, hang on. There we go. This is the best I've got. See that? Looks like a spider, doesn't it? All right, so what you do is you can put it in a mortar and pestle and just grind it away. So it's like in a powder sort of consistency. The flavours just pop in your mouth when you eat this with the orange zest, the star anise. It's amazing. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to change the whisk to a paddle. And we're going to gradually add the flour. So it actually turns into a nice dough mixture. Just let that mix in just a little bit more. Beautiful. All right, that's it. Okay, so you just get yourself a baking tray. Just pop some baking paper on there and just pop that aside. Just pop a little bit of flour on your bench top. Okay, just empty it out on the bench top. What I'm going to do is just knead it. So it should be slightly soft dough, not too hard. All right. So I'm going to flatten it out a little bit. Okay. So if you need a little bit more flour, just pop that on there. So get your whole almonds, space it out just evenly over the top of the dough. It's a really simple, easy recipe. You can replace the nuts with candied fruit or even sultanas if you want, or don't put anything. But you can follow my recipe for the candied fruit, because usually making your own is usually better. So just fold it over. So basically what we're trying to do is incorporate the nuts now into the dough. Doesn't matter if they all come out. Pop them back in. Just use my spatula to pick up the loose bits. Okay, so what we do is just cut it in half. It'll be a bit awkward because of the nuts, you know, which is fine. So basically just roll it like a little sausage. So it's like doing your cookie dough, you know, and try and get it even, the shape, an even shape. Okay, so let's get these onto a tray. I can do it because I don't have very long trays. I'm going to sort of put them in this way. You've got to allow a little bit of space for them to spread, and then get the other one, and I'm just putting it next to it. If you want them wider and shorter, you can do that. I just prefer them this size because they're nicer to have with an espresso. Okay, so let's pop these in the oven for 30 minutes. So you can cut them thick or thin. It depends how thick you want the biscuit. Put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, so they're ready. Let's pop them out the oven. Oh, sprinkle some icing sugar over the top. Beautiful. So just allow them to cool down. There are my Cantucci Biscotti. So my almond biscuits.